what are the specifications for a moving floor in a stationary application? Well, first of all, there's the buffer volume that you would need. Is it just to continue production during 1 hour of standstill time? Is it a buffer for the night? Is it a weekend buffer? So you have to calculate the necessary buffer volume with your hourly input. Afterwards, you may think about the interfaces. How do we charge? How do we tip material into the moving floor bunker? And how do we discharge? How do we get the material out of the bunker? And these interfaces give you also a hint how to conceive your buffer. Last but not least is the service charge, meaning the weight per square meter that is decisive for the slats and for the moving floor type that you will use. If you have very heavy material, you will have a specific moving floor. If it's light material, you should be sure that the light material progresses inside the buffer, even if it wants to bridge inside.